My name's Tom Cottons. I'm a farmer. I found I had sleep apnea through a test.
Why it's important to treat sleep apnea is the longer-term consequences, and that's where the associations with heart disease, metabolic disease,
higher risk of stroke, coronary disease, heart attack.
It's a minority of patients who are able to tolerate the treatment at home.
I didn't want to take the mask off. I wanted to rip the mask off. Using that Star Wars piece on their head again.
For the first time, we have a treatment that patients will be willing to use.